Howdy y'all, welcome to the Dirt Road Grocery Store. Today I want to talk to you about the rooster that pulls the train, fertilizer. Getting ready to put the fall garden in, get started anyway, and I had to go buy fertilizer. And I thought it was a good time to tell you about a basic or very basic method. First thing I should say is don't do like I did. Don't go buy fertilizer until you check under your shed and see what you got, because I got 5 years supply of this stuff now that I bought more. And there's two basic fertilizers you'll want to use. 10 10 10 10 10 10 triple 10 works for just about everything. The only time you want to be concerned about using a different fertilizer is when you don't want nitrogen. That's the first note. You use nitrogen on peas, they'll grow really well, but they won't make, because they make their own nitrogen. It's just too much. They enter the growth phase and they never come out of it. Fertilizer used for peas is going to have a low nitrogen number, 5 20 20, 5 10 15, something like that. 5, that's nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. We need these other ones all the time, unless you're just really trying to make something jump, in which case you use nothing but nitrogen. But when you're planting peas, beans, low nitrogen. Now the other thing to keep in mind is at what rate do you fertilize? Your general rule of thumb is going to be 1.5 pounds per 100 foot of row, or 1.5 pounds per 100 square feet. Kind of the same thing. Now I don't have a scale just for that. I don't recommend you buy a scale just for that. Just do the conversion of the kind of fertilizer to the volume, and then you can measure with a cup. You can measure with anything. I generally use a tuna fish can because that's about half a cup. And 1.5 pounds of 10 10 10 is about 2.5 cups, or 5 of these. 100 foot a row of this stuff is, I believe, 7 of these. So that's how much and that's what, and you just got to get it in there and get your timing right. My timing right now is it's about to rain on me as usual in the south in the summertime in the afternoon, so I better hurry up and jump on that train and get back out of here.